Sorry guys about that. I accidentally ended the video, but
this is the second part of Granny. We accidentally ended the video.
Welcome to part 2. Oh, heck no.
Welcome to part 2 of Granny. So if you guys watched our other video,
what's up, Granny?
You'd know that Tia is actually gonna beat Granny.
What's up, Granny? Because she's frozen. I froze her. We walked on a really cheesy one. Oh, we're both watching purple and black.
My thing is so guys,
my foot is stinging. Ow! My foot is stinging. Why is my foot stinging?
Doesn't Granny look creepy, you guys?
Ew,
not really.
Granny, you okay? You lost your teeth again. Oh.
No, she doesn't. She literally has dirty freaking teeth. Ah, my foot stings.
It's okay. My palm and my foot stings.
Where did I put the hammer? Do you guys comment down below? Do you guys know where I put the hammer?
We can't keep on these.
Ah, where's the hammer? Ah, don't touch my stinged foot. Why is it throbbing? Comment down below why my foot is throbbing. Hold on, guys. Ouch. Guys, my foot is throbbing. Oh, I know where to put the hammer.
The cheese sprinkles gave me a tummy ache.
Ow. And you're eating candy after they just gave you a tummy ache? Girl. Ow, my foot stings. What if I put water on it?
You guys can eat them chips.
Don't play.
Well, I'm still eating them, but
Water on my foot.
so guys, Tia is actually putting her water away. She will be right back.
Oh, back.
Back.
It's just dropping.
Hi guys, we are back.
On the live stream.
I need to go there and have one thing.
Oh.
Like I said, if you guys watch the second half, you'd know that Tia is actually about to escape Granny.
I am back, guys,
The first half.
with my neck covered because my neck hurts. If she dies at the very part she's gonna escape, I'm gonna be so angry.
Of course I am. My foot stopped throbbing. So glad. I'm gonna hit you with the hammer. Boom, boom. On your butthole. Boom, boom on your butthole. One more.
Comment down below if you are a very good glitcher at Granny.
Like me.
If you've seen the first part of the video, we actually, if you guys watched the video,
I glitched Granny.
she glitched Granny 2 times.
Found the parts of the car. And then I know what the other part is. Actually, if I had to escape from Gummy, I would stay in here for days. I could just put my food and water up here. I could put my mattress down here. And I can have a fan right there. And an extension cord. Yeah, an extension cord. An extension cord. We should write our names on it.
You guys, my bed never eat that much cheese.
My stomach not hurting because I never tried those before.
Guys, comment down below if you love cheese Pringles. They're very good. They are delicious.
I'm literally still craving for them because that's actually my first time trying them. I'm not even joking, my first ever time.
Moving on to next.
Guys, after this, I'm gonna get the ranch, and then, guys, we're gonna escape.
Guys, we're moving on to the next snack.
Starbucks, kids. watermelon flavor.
Have you guys ever tasted Sour Patches?
I'm pretty sure everybody has except for kids who can't eat candy because
Which
they're
is
allergic.
your favorite Sour Patch?
Yeah, which one is your favorite? Actually, none of them. I just like the watermelons.
I like the yellow and blue.
I like the watermelon.
I like the watermelon too.
Well, I do like the purple. No, I like the red.
The red?
Mhm.
What was I looking for? The ranch. The ranch.
You're gonna escape in the car.
Again.
Mhm.
Then it's your guys' turn and my turn.
You only need a wrench. You're gonna escape through the car. I know it.
Guys, after this, we will be playing another random game. So if you are watching this, if you watch the first half, you know that I say that we are actually.
I need the
playing
car
other
battery,
games.
then I can escape. Where's that car battery?
Oh, I don't know. But he only needs one more thing. No more tips.
No more.
Just one more, just one more.
Alright, then I want more.
I'm just going to these.
No more. These candies already got me
Here.
turned up. No.
Okay. Ooh, this one's cheesy.
Oh, give it to me. You tried to do that. Perfect.
No, look, it's actually cheesy.
Okay, give me one more. I got the chili one.
Okay, guys, we will be back. We're back, guys, and
Bro, stop doing that. Oh, I found a piece of the shotgun. Time to shoot Granny. Why is it different colors though? Come here, Granny.
are you about to shoot Granny?
Mhm.
Oh my god. Aim for the face.
No.
That's cool. And for
Oh, the butt.
What the frick?
How didn't even work?
What the frick? How did she not die? Creepy Granny. Probably shot her in the butt. Didn't work. I shot her in the face one time and it went straight to her eyeball. And she said, I was like, what the freak?
Ugh. I think it's because she's stuck. I think because she's stuck, you can't shoot her.
Yay. Try, Granny. Then you like to try my glitch? Try escaping?
Try shutting the door.
Girl. I know
You
why.
guys should really try Granny. It is so fun. And on top of that, Granny has so much glitches. They should have made the game Granny a little better. It has so many glitches where you can glitch out the house.
Guess who I'm finna shoot? Hello. Bye.
He's actually gone! You guys! Tia shoot the bird.
Go get the other bullet because I think
You guys, Tia actually shoot the bird,
Oh my
and
God.
he exploded. If you guys watch Shrek, you
gonna
know
go watch
that
Shrek.
Princess Fiona was singing so loud where she made the bird explode.
Oh my gosh, she had that.
Is her eyes red?
Her heart? Her eyes are
Her
right.
eyes are red. Oh, it's probably because you shoot her bird.
Sorry, Granny. Your bird was just got on my nerves. And not come back though. Rest in peace.
You're killing her family, that's why.
I don't know. I'm finna
Well,
kill
it's
her
about
bird.
she even
I'm
has
finna
any
kill her
family.
spider too.
Yeah,
So-
you need a thing to kill her spider. The spider knows how to kill.
Then she gonna get really mad that she probably couldn't get unstuck. Stop getting mad, girl. It's just a bird.
Yeah, once
You can get a new one, but it's good. And that bird used to be all pink and like butterflies, but now it's not because she made it evil and possessed.
Yeah, you made it some possessed
Bird.
Yeah,
I'm finna go shoot your spider now because it got my nerves too. And you cannot
Guys,
kill
we
me.
are about to shoot the spider.
How you supposed to shoot that spider?
Oh, like this.
They got mad at you. Tia has died. I thought she was gonna make it, guys.
You should have never shot the spider.
So guys,
you can't run it. I was
Guys.
scared.
guys, it is now Kanaya's turn. Turn it towards Tia so she can see as well. Okay.
That was
Wait, how about we just take, guys? We're gonna like switch
Games,
seats so we can all see.
So
Hold on.
let me say.
I couldn't.
Uh-oh. All right, guys. So we'll end this video right here. And peace. Bye-bye.